YouTube, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Quan, and I am back with another video, and it is day 2 of Vlogmas. So right now I am about to go to the post office and I gotta drop off some packages. And before I get into anything, I know y'all probably already seen day 1 of Vlogmas. Hold on, let me open the door. Where's my key? Like I was saying, hold on, bro. Let me get situated. Like I was saying, I know y'all probably already seen day 1 of Vlogmas because I'm about to drop that right now. I'm finna drop off these packages and god damn, vlog off to a bad start. Let me give y'all boys a cold start though. I straight piped it, by the way. That shit sounds so mean, bruh. The camera does not do justice on how loud that junk sound outside, like in real life. But like I was saying, I just want to say I appreciate y'all for showing me so much love and support. I just hit 100,000 subscribers on my main channel, which is notpappiiq. If y'all don't know, I do have a main channel, and I just reached 100,000 subscribers. I'm about to get back consistent on there. I mainly post fashion on there, and that's just what I'm about to get back into, the fashion scene of YouTube. And I'm also gonna continue doing Vlogmas. I'm trying to post a video every day of December up until Christmas. But right now I'm headed to the post office because I gotta drop off these packages. I also want to say I appreciate y'all for showing so much love. I had a Cyber Monday sale and I sold out. Alright y'all, so let me turn this air off. I just stopped to get gas because, you know what I'm saying, gotta fill up before I go anywhere. But I was just driving and these packages was just flying everywhere. But I'm finna show y'all something. I got the gas plug, bro. Check me out, check me out. Peep gas prices, right? See the price for gas. This is what I take for this guy. 93. This is a little glitch. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5. Subscribe. And just like that, I don't know if y'all can see, but the gas prices drop. And yeah, y'all need the plug. This junk come in handy, no cap, because nigga, this car eat gas like it's fucking a human that need water. This shit, like, then it takes so much to fill up on top of that. Like, y'all know I had a V6 before. It was like way cheaper. It was like $20 to fill up. Now this should be like $30, $40 just to fill up. Now, that's probably not a lot if y'all drive a truck or depending on where you live at. But, nigga, that's a lot to what I was paying compared to the other car I had. Alright y'all, so I just made it to Full Circle. If y'all don't know what Full Circle is, this is the place. If you in Atlanta, come here. Tell them I sent you. They got some, you know what I'm saying, they got some heat. But I'm finna try to get rid of this jacket, this V-long jacket. If I don't sell it here, if any one of y'all want it, hit my DM on Instagram. But I'm gonna just keep y'all updated on if I do or if I don't. Me and Ari supposed to be decorating my room for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Got to get in the Christmas spirit because I am doing Vlogmas. I ain't even going there with the intentions of buying something. But I seen these rafts. They ain't come in a box. But I picked them up, as y'all can see. Cool little deal. And they're in good condition. Oh shit. They are in good condition, as y'all can see. But they didn't come in the box, so I took that L. But I've been wanting some wraps for a little minute, so Quan got some wraps. Y'all probably looking like, boy, them shit's ugly as fuck. Because y'all probably not into fashion like my fashion channel, but shit, that's besides the point. Alright y'all, so right now we are at Walmart and we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. Either between decorating my room and Christmas vibes or build gingerbread houses and have a gingerbread competition. What you think?
I say decorating first, and then, because, you know, we built the grid.
What? What are you talking about?
We built the grid. When we built the gingerbread houses, you know, you have all the decorations in the back. That should be fun, bro.
Why you just hit me?
I didn't hit you. It's like a little tap. You know, a little love tap.
Hey, though, where the hell do they sell? Oh shit, I did not see that right there. Where the hell do you buy a Christmas tree from? That shit in like
what aisle would they be on?
Yeah, what the fuck? I don't know, this is my first time doing this, so if you young and you never did this before, you gonna learn from my experience. Is that a Christmas tree?
No, bro.
The Christmas tree's over here, bro. These ain't no damn Christmas trees, nigga. These are sunflowers. Do they got black Christmas trees?
I don't know.
I've never seen that before. None of y'all never seen no black Christmas tree before. Facts. These big ass trees. We in Christmas, nigga. Hey, these shit's expensive as hell.
$99. These are $39.
Let's get this motherfucker. That motherfucker, I don't know if y'all can see. That motherfucker is $16. Yes, sir. What'd you say?
It's gonna be small though.
I'm not about to get this big ass shit in my room. Is that black?
It's low key. Low key.
You think that shit black?
Low key.
I think that shit black. Can we use this as a Christmas tree? What the fuck is this? Oh, roses. That shit soft as hell. I can go outside and get that for free, nigga.
What are you doing, decorating? Sure.
What y'all think in the comments down below? Drop in the comments down below what y'all want us to do. Decorate our gingerbread house. Let us know in the comments down below. And we gonna do that. But, yeah. What you think?
I say decorating.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors for it.
So you want to do it, bro?
I want to do the gingerbread house, yeah. Are you ready?
That's 2 out of 3.
That's 2 out of 3. Are you ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
It's smarter to do it though. You know it is.
Oh my god. Where the hell do you get Santa Claus hats? Where the hell are these at? Like, I want one of these motherfuckers.
So we doing decorate first?
Alright, but we're gonna decorate first.
Yay.
So,
my happy hands.
how do you find a new girlfriend? Let me know in the comments down below. Hey, she's pinching me. Ow, you gotta, bro, we're supposed to be joyful and happy.
Okay, so why would
Where
you
the
say
fuck
that?
is the cart at, my nigga?
You left it over there. Oh, look at the little bitty ornament. Oh.
That shit gay.
Get in the little Christmas spirit, because you're not right now.
I gotta get in the Christmas spirit.
Yes, please.
Alright, I don't want that big ass tree. That shit huge. Oh, that's what she said. Oh, look about this motherfuckers. This is a drip. You know what I'm saying? The chimney boots. Santa Claus broke his hell. Nigga, reindeers died of COVID. Look, it's about your height. See? Stand up next to you. Stay right there. Y'all about the same height. Hey, bro, see you not in the Christmas spirit. Y'all guys gonna get some cold chocolate for Christmas. I think we don't go with that because it's only because it's black. If it wasn't black, I would never got it. No cap. See? Black ass tree. And yeah, what else do you need for a Christmas tree?
Ornaments.
Huh? We need lights for my room. Oh yeah.
Room or the tree?
Fuck this tree.
You need it for the tree. Look, no, you can't do black ornaments on a black tree.
Black on black, nigga. Black lives matter. She's racist. She's racist. What y'all think? Black ornaments on a black tree? That's like, or should we do like black and red? Or black and silver? I'm not doing green. My room is black and gray, right?
What?
My room is black and gray. So black and silver. Black tree, black lives matter. Let's get this nigga. Can we get this nigga right here? Oh, he like a bitch. Let's get this nigga. Can we get this nigga?
Oh yeah.
He kinda look like you.
He's cute.
You said he what?
Bruh.
I need a new girlfriend, y'all. Hit my DMs.
No, oh.
I'll beat your ass, nigga.
Bro.
Bitch ass, nigga. Pussy. Don't do that shit no more. I'ma beat your ass again. Fuck, nigga. Don't pick him up. Don't.
Stop.
I need a new girlfriend, y'all. Let me know if y'all want me my girlfriend. I'm 6'6". I drive a scat pack. Hey, who is this angry lady following me? I gotta have the best Christmas tree on YouTube. This is my first time doing Vlogmas too, so I still gotta get used to this. I'm gonna try to post every day like I said before. As y'all can see, we got a tree. We got one set of balls. We got this and some hats. And I think that's all you need for a Christmas tree.
We need the lights, Mark.
Oh shit, we need lights. Where the lights go?
So guys, so we just left Walmart and now we have to go to a different Walmart because they didn't have everything we needed. So that's what we're about to do.
You see what we do for y'all niggas? I gotta have the best Christmas tree on YouTube. And I don't even know how to build a damn tree. We really could have went outside and got a tree and painted it black and then put that shit up.
Alright, well anyways, we're on the way to Walmart. I think I already told you that.
Another Walmart.
So, yeah, because we just left one. Well, we'll see y'all when we get to our destination.
Woo! YouTube, what's good y'all? Alright, so we just got back to the house and no cap, we were there till Walmart closed. But as y'all can see, we got the tree. We got some, what's some shit called?
Ornaments and decorations.
Ornaments and decorations. Hey, say, if y'all don't eat these,
So they're disgusting.
you sleep. You said they're nasty?
Yes, they're nasty.
She's bugging. So we're finna throw our hats on. What up, niggas?
I thought you was
You gotta say it.
Oh, okay.
What up,
Vlogmas.
No, we gotta say what up, niggas.
Oh, sorry.
Cut that out.
What up, bitches?
Bro, what are you doing? Anyways, what's good, y'all? Alright, so the hat do not fit on my head, so it's just hanging on my head. Do I want to switch? Fuck no. Alright, so also after this video, we're gonna do a gingerbread contest. That's gonna be the next video for them.
I am going to win.
That's cap. But
Let your mom be the judge.
No, they're gonna be the judge. So for the next day, y'all stay tuned for the next day after today's vlog, which I will see tomorrow. Y'all a quick 360 of what it's looking like before we do everything. And I'm gonna catch y'all after we are done. Hey, why the hell is this Christmas tree so skinny?
Looks like it's gonna crack.
Y'all niggas know? Fuck this hat, y'all can have it.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Nigga, shut the fuck up. It's a bar reach.
Let me know what y'all think about Vlogmas, and do y'all want me to go on with the whole thing? Like, do y'all want me to post every day of December until Christmas? Alright y'all, so this is what we got so far. Now, let me show y'all from a distance. Hey. Yeah, turn that bitch off. Hey, that hole kind of wet. No cap. Hold on, you look away, then you look back. Oh shit. Hey, I did that shit, right? I did that shit all by myself.
Okay.
Right?
Go ahead, do the rest of yourself.
No, this one. We did that shit together as a team. Alright y'all, so I don't know if y'all know, but I picked up these little pieces, right? Got Cozy, and I got Mafia. Well, she really helped me do this, but y'all get the point. But these shits are brown. Like, they're like, it's like wood. So I went ahead, got some spray paint. I'm doing this for y'all. I'm putting this shit on my wall, and Cozy Mafia be the gang. So I'm finna get the spray paint, and I'm gonna catch y'all when it is done. Hey, no cap. This is oddly satisfying.
I mean, it don't smell that bad either.
Kinda smell good. They didn't have any A's, so we got V's, and we're gonna turn them upside down. I gotta cut the T, y'all, because they didn't have any I's, so I gotta make that into a T. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that right now. I don't know if y'all remember, but that right there was just a T. So yeah, I'm about to finish go ahead and spray paint on the rest of this stuff. I had to cut it and then sand it down because the edges was all wrong. But that's besides the point. As y'all see, K-O-Z-Y-M-A-F-I-A. So it's gonna go right there. All right, y'all. So we're
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
all right, y'all. So
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
all right, y'all. So
Stop what?
Alright, y'all, so we are done with the room, as y'all can see. Hold on, 360 reveal. Okay, hold on. Peep this. I put Cozy Mafia on the wall because y'all are a part of the family. We got the fireplace going right here. I know y'all hear that crackling, popping shit. Sound like popcorn. Then we got the Christmas tree right here. You know what I'm saying? It's a black Christmas tree. We got the, you know what I'm saying, the craziest Christmas tree on YouTube. This shit is the best. With the black star on top. I don't know if y'all can see that. But this fire is keeping, you know what I'm saying, everything cozy, nice and cozy. Then we put the lights up, you know what I'm saying, getting in the Christmas spirit. Other than that, all we need is music playing, but that shit copyrighted, so we're not gonna do that. You got anything you wanna say? No, about the whole process?
We did good.
What is it?
It took a little minute, but it was worth it.
I like it too. This shit was expensive as hell. I'm never doing this again. No cap.
But it was better to decorate first and then do the...
I give you that, that was right.
Exactly.
But right now we are about to go ahead and knock out Vlogmas Day 3's video, which is, we're doing a gingerbread house contest. As y'all can see right there, we're going so you can make the best gingerbread house, castle, mansion, whatever. So I honestly think I'm gonna win, but y'all gonna be the judge of that in the next video. So be prepared for Vlogmas Day 3. But this is the end of Day 2, and yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you are new, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If not, hit the dislike button. I don't care. But it's your boy Quan, Cozy Mafia the gang.
And we out.
We should name it Cozy Miss. Nah, that's lame. Alright, gotta go bye.
It's a bar reach.